Hi everyone, welcome to Pitter Patter Platter cooking show. It's me, Chef Joan with a delicious dish, Veg Mayo Sandwich. Come, let's start. The ingredients for my Veg Mayo Sandwich are bread, white pepper powder, mayonnaise, chopped carrot, chopped cucumber, and grated cabbage. And I also have some tomato, cucumber, and grapes for my sandwich decoration. For making the sandwich, first we need to make the veg mayo mix. So first I am going to add some carrot. Carrot contains vitamin A, so it's very good for our eyes. Next, I'm going to add some cabbage. Cabbage improves your digestion and it is packed with vitamin C. Then I'm going to add some cucumber. Cucumber keeps your body hydrated. Next, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. So, mayonnaise is rich in proteins and vitamins. Finally, I'm going to add some white pepper powder. Now mix it well. Now my mixture is ready. Now it's time to make the sandwich. So first I need a slice of bread. Next, I'm going to spread the veg mayo mix on the bread. Bye.